Wednesday, November 19th, the barrier. Finding Ulrich, the companions later told me, was the easy part, and breaking the enchantments which bound him the matter of but a few moments' consideration. It wasn't until they turned to escape, leading the barely conscious and unresponsive Ulrich, that the rescue became a thing of legend. The companions say that Ulrich became more and more lucid toward the end, and revealed things that day in the desert which only made sense in the light of later events. He continually returned to the belief that he had been betrayed. Ulrich babbled about a suit of armor so powerful that its wearer was invulnerable to attack and tireless in battle. He claimed that it was buried somewhere in the eastern desert, and that he had been sent by the head to retrieve it. They say Ulrich talked about the head often, ridiculing the Nine's belief that it was one of the Avatara of Connaught. Connaught was the great hero of the Wind Age, who drove the evil Moagim from the earth, and the head claims to have been one of Connaught's closest advisors during this time. Once Ulrich even spoke of the head's defeat by Balor, where it lost its body. But I've begun to wonder how one of the Avatara of the Wind Age outlived Connaught himself by hundreds of years to fight Balor in a battle long before the West had even heard of the Fallen Lords. I have been unable to reconcile this with what I know of history.
I'm moving.
Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, mic up, you. Yes, move here, move there. Okay.
Ready? Hey, got him!
Yes, okay. Yes.
Get back! I'm moving. Yeah.
Sir? On it.
Buddy.
Got it.
Let's go.
Yes? Yes!
I'm moving. Yeah.
Ready? Hey, move it.
I'm moving.
Ready? On the way. Yes?
Okay. Okay. Yeah, make up your mind.
Over here. I've got him.
Move here, move there.
Let's go.
Sir?
Yes. Burn!
Step aside.
Incoming!
Yeah. God damn your eyes.
Ready? Okay.
Yeah, make up your mind.
I'm moving. Yeah. I'm moving. Let's go.
Make up your mind.
Shell. Over here. Die,
Yes?
fools.
All right. Right away. Right away. On the way. All right.
Let's go.
Sir? On the way.
I'll do it.
Got him!
Yeah. Over here. Let's go. go.
Yeah.
I'm moving.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay. Make up your mind.
Yeah.
Ready? On the way. Stand clear.
Yeah. Let's go.
Sir?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That was mine.
Make up your mind. Move here, move
Yes!
there. Move here, move
Sir?
there. Yes. Yes. Okay. Make up your mind. Move here, move there. Okay. Move here, move there. Make up your mind. Yes, sir. Move here. Where? Okay.
Chill.
What now? Yes.
Ready? On the way. All right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Over here. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, right away. Buddy!
I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving.
Ready? All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's go.
Wait for me.
Yeah. I'm moving. I'm moving.
Wait
Let's
for
go.
me.
Let's go. I'm moving. I'm moving. Yeah. Let's go. Over here. Yeah. I'm moving.
Let me handle this. Ah, Sinis. I thought you died when Mazarin collapsed the Shrine of Nyx upon you.
Indeed, Ulrich. Then I'll wager that you thought you'd see the last of me.
Yeah.
I have seen the last of you.
Let's go. I'm moving.
Sir?
I'm moving. Die, fool!
That was mine. Yes, right away.
Follow me.
Let's go. Let's go. I'm moving.
Make up your mind.
Yeah, I'm moving. Let's go.
Follow me.
I'm moving. Over here. I'm moving. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Come closer, quickly. Come closer, quickly.
Sir? All right.
Let's go.
Casualty.
Move there.